Why do you cut and stain this before you install it?
Because you can't get in these grooves. Once you lock it in, you wouldn't be able to get
this
in
stain in there?
It would be darker because you'd have to keep putting it in there to fill in the crack.
I got you.
So it's best to stain it before you.
Plus, is it harder to stain something?
That and the way it ain't dripping on the floor and stuff, or over your head.
So you stain it, then how do you cover up the holes? Or do you have to cover up the holes?
Now, if you use 16 gauge nail on it, you won't see it.
So when you're installing this, you put it up. How do you start? Do you stagger it, or do you do straight?
Well, it depends on the length of the room. In this case, it's all one little piece that you're putting in.
Right, this is gonna.
So it won't have to have no stagger into it.
So all of these are just gonna be straight run?
Yep.
This is called tongue and groove, also known as what?
V-groove.
They call it a V-groove, but why? Why do they call it that?
They call it V-groove because of the way it's cut, the notches in it.
So those notches, when they're put together, they kind of form a V all the way down?
Yep.
All right, and then how do you click it in place?
The tongue.
Yep, so this is out of the tongue and groove.
Yep. This is a tongue.
This is
a groove side.
This is your groove side. Follow and subscribe for more.